Ever wonder what it takes to make a perfect landing? It's not just the pilot. It's a marvel of engineering called the landing gear. Today, we're doing a deep dive into the systems that take the hit every single time. Let's start with the nose landing gear. This isn't just a wheel. It's the aircraft's steering on the ground. We look at torque links, steering actuators, and that crucial shimmy damper. If any of these fail, you're looking at steering problems during taxi or even dangerous instability on takeoff. We meticulously check for wear, hydraulic leaks, and proper alignment. Next, the main landing gear. These are the heavy lifters supporting the aircraft's full weight. We focus on the trunnions, side braces, and the lock mechanisms that hold everything in place. A failure here could be catastrophic, leading to gear collapse. That is why we use non-destructive testing to hunt for tiny fatigue cracks and confirm every lock engages perfectly. Then you have the shock struts, the aircraft's suspension system. They're filled with nitrogen and hydraulic fluid to absorb the immense force of landing. If they're not serviced correctly, every landing becomes a hard landing, transferring stress directly to the airframe. We check pressure, fluid quality, and strut extension like a hawk. Of course, what good is landing gear without wheels and brakes? We monitor brake wear, the condition of the carbon discs, and the integrity of the wheel itself. A brake failure can lead to a rejected takeoff or worse. That's why the anti-skid system is so critical. We test its brain, the control unit, and the wheel speed sensors that feed it information. A faulty anti-skid system is a recipe for a blowout on a wet runway. Finally, the retraction system. The actuators and linkages that pull the gear up and push it down must be flawless. A gear that fails to extend is every pilot's nightmare. Here's the bottom line. Landing gear systems are designed to be robust, but they require aggressive maintenance. Every single landing adds fatigue. The best operators know that this system doesn't deteriorate quietly. It sends signals before it fails. The real skill is in listening to those signals early. By treating maintenance with this level of rigor, we protect both the multi-million-dollar asset and, most importantly, the lives on board. Thanks for watching. If you found this look into aviation maintenance interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Fly safe.